In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a presentation using Canva. As a student, Canva is really helpful. You can just create everything here because there are templates and you won't even have to use your brain to style them. So what we need to do now is to click on presentations. Okay, this is 16 by 9, so let's click that. There you go. After clicking that, you'll see all results here already. Business report template, game night, etc. So let's try to have this one here. A business report presentation. So you can use the slides. You can actually just use the templates in order to make your presentation. But if you would like to use or test your creativity, you can just do so. Just try to create your own. Just create a blank one. There you go. And then let's add a text. This will be our title. And let's say it's about nouns. Let's move it in the middle. There you go. So you can also add your name here, presented by or prepared by. Let's make that a little smaller. There we go. Now let's try putting some elements. This one's really traditional, having borders and the like. This one's cute. Not really that artistic, but I think this can do. Copy and paste. There. It is really easy to create a presentation using Canva. You can add another slide if you'd like to have a different design, or you can just duplicate this one and change the title. You can also try to put an animation here. There, you see that? Let's try fun. There you go. Let's try playing it. Let's present that one slide. There. You can just continue and finish your presentation. That's about it. That's how you can make a presentation using Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.